What happens when one of the most popular EVs on the planet gets smarter, sleeker, and more efficient? You get the 2026 Tesla Model 3, and it's more refined than ever. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're diving into Tesla's latest evolution of its game-changing sedan. Design. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Model 3 features a refreshed exterior that's cleaner, sharper, and more aerodynamic. Tesla trimmed down the lines, added sleek new lighting elements, and gave it a more premium presence overall. Inside, the minimalism remains, but now with softer materials, ambient lighting, and better sound insulation that makes every ride feel a bit more upscale. Performance. Now, performance. Whether you choose the standard or long-range version, acceleration is still instant, smooth, and addictive. The long-range dual-motor setup delivers even better efficiency this year, and yes, it's still ridiculously quick off the line. Tesla also refined the suspension for a more composed, comfortable ride without losing that sporty edge. Features and technology. Tech is where Tesla continues to lead. The updated infotainment system is faster, sharper, and packed with features, from gaming to video streaming. Autopilot and Full Self-Driving continue to improve, with better lane handling and smoother behavior in traffic. And yes, you still get over-the-air updates that make your car smarter over time. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Tesla Model 3 still the king of electric sedans? That's up to you. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more clear and honest takes on the latest tech and vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.